we'll walk you through
how to add products on BigCommerce.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
First things first, you want to go over to your BigCommerce homepage. You want to click on products and click on add new in the top right corner. As you can see, we have different products already listed on the store. And once you click on add new, a pop-up menu will appear with different information required for that product. So I'm just going to name the product, let's say luxury home decor. Yeah, so luxury home decor, and it's a physical product. You just want to adjust the price if necessary. Let's say $299. And you want to add the weight as well. Let's just say 4 kilograms. Category, home furniture, and you can just write a short description. This is a luxury home decor, perfect for your living room. All right, that looks good. And I'm just going to make it bold here. Also, you can add images. I'm just going to click on upload and just select an image from my computer. All right, that looks good. So you want to write a description of the image to improve search engine optimization. I'm just going to copy what I have here and paste it on here. Moving forward. So the product identifiers are the details that make a particular product unique, like the manufacturer part number. If you have all of that information, you just want to go ahead and input it here. And also the tax class default as well. You want to click on track inventory on the product level. So if you have different variants for the product, this is where you can add that as well. For example, if there are different sizes, colors as well, you can go ahead and do that. And also you can decide to set it as a featured product on your storefront. So it's one of the first things people do see when they come on your store. I'm just going to click on that as well. And we have some other information here, like the shipping details. You can decide if it's going to be free shipping, or you can write a price if that is your preference. And you want to click on this product can be purchased in my online store. Of course, there's some information about SEO and sharing. If you have some metadata, you can input that on here. And once you're done, you want to click on save. So let's take a look at how that looks on our storefront. So I'm just going to click on view storefront. And as you can see, our product is listed here and it's featured as well. That's why it's on here. Usually it should be down here below, but because I clicked on featured, you can see the pricing. And if you click on it, you can see all the, the details as well related to the product. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.